Hi, in this simulator, the computer is able to control these cars' acceleration and steering via a neural network. So, using an evolutionary algorithm, the computer teaches itself to adjust how it controls the car to optimize the vehicle's speed without crashing. The red car represents the car that can travel the furthest without crashing. The population is regenerated when any vehicles crash. If you move your attention to the right pane, you will see the vehicles traversing the map. And the vehicle that's ahead of the pack is just completing a full lap now. Now, a new global best is found, a car which can complete the whole lap. And the computer, instead of focusing on distance, focuses on optimizing for speed. Now for the victory lap. The best solution has been found. It could still be improved by running the training process for longer, but now improvements are marginal between iterations of the population. See how the car cuts corners as it approaches the bends? This is a real racing strategy that racers use to improve their speed. But here the computer has taught the strategy to itself completely on its own. We now allow the computer to use the neural network trained in the previous track to control this vehicle in an unseen test track. This track drives in the opposite direction to the previous one, and the track has more twists and turns than the previous one. But the neural network is able to control the vehicle without allowing it to crash.